This worked example looking at the y-intercept should take less than 10 seconds to complete. So the first step is just to draw in a line of best fit that goes through this data. I think something like this is appropriate. And now we've got that, I'm just going to look at the value up there, which looks to be about 6.7, and that's where the value on this axis is 0. So in this case, the y-intercept is about 6.7, and then the units, because we're measuring volts on the y-axis, would be V. And actually this would refer to the EMF of a cell or a battery. But the point is, all we need to do is just read off the axis where that line meets the y-axis, and that's your y-intercept. And there we go, that is the answer completed. We can see it's going to be a relatively straightforward question because it just says state rather than calculate. And yeah, that's all there is to it. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of a mini course which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.